guys, what's up? It's me, Sarah. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited you could be here today. If you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified anytime I upload anything. I upload new videos on Thursdays and you don't want to miss that. Today's video is going to be so much fun, so exciting, and so last minute. What are we going to do, you ask? Let me tell you. We are going to create a modern day Belle outfit on a budget. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Alright friends, so we made it to the fitting room. But now we have a couple different ways we could go with this modern day Belle. This look with the short sleeves is more casual and modest. It's looking good, it's looking fun. Or we have option number 2, which has a flirty, sassy sleeve. It's so classy and breezy, so fun for the summer. Or we have option number 3, which is so casual and really good for those really hot days. So the choice is yours. Which one will you pick? 1, 2, or 3? Now to find the perfect embellishments for this, oh my gosh, I found it. You know I'll happy dance, yay! I went with these overalls and I got these little roses and I'm just gonna sew these roses throughout the overalls. Cheers! Now to achieve this look, there's gonna be a few things you're gonna need. You're gonna need scissors, needle, and thread. If you're young, please have a parent or guardian supervise you, and whoever's doing this, please be careful. It's so easy to poke yourself, but you know, it all worked out in the end. This is your friendly reminder to use sunscreen and stay hydrated when you're out in the sun. Yum! So sewing these little roses on took me a while. So while I'm doing this, let's talk budget. I got everything I needed from Walmart, besides the scissors, the thread, and needle. I already had that. The options for overalls were $15 ones and $11 ones. The $11 ones did not come in my size though, so I went with the $15 ones. Now if you're looking for a white shirt, you have a lot of options. There was white shirts for $2, white shirts for $12, and white shirts for anywhere in between. The one I got was $12.99, but I loved it the most. So if your budget is very slim, you could obviously go for the much cheaper ones. Also, I decided to do this video very last minute. If I would have decided to do it earlier in the week, I would have probably gone to a thrift shop where I might have been able to find overalls for cheaper and a white shirt for cheaper. But now, since I got it from Walmart, anyone else can too. The little roses I got were about $2.99, I believe, also. So, yeah, this is going to turn out so good. I'm so excited for you to see this. I always recommend a nice stretch or dance break. Yay!
Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I love it. It took forever. It looks so good. Let's see it on.
Are you ready for the reveal of my modern day Belle outfit? Let's go! Amazing! It's my favorite part because you'll see. Enjoy the day. How is your family? Enjoy the day. How is your wife?